Hi, this is Tonini-Rogers, and I am your nurse in realty. And it is New Year's Day 2022. Happy New Year. And why do I seem so excited? I am so excited because Bolling Brook, you have a brand new comp in the neighborhood that just closed on 12/23 of 2021, and it is $30,000 higher than the last house, the highest house sold in that neighborhood over the past year. I'm super excited for Bolling Brook because this is a big deal. The condition and the updates were not that different than some of the other houses that have sold. So this essentially increases the possibility of your comps in the neighborhood, your houses, those of you guys who are ready to sell or getting ready to sell. It boosts it about $30,000 for the market for your neighborhood. So I'm super excited. There were 5 houses that were sold in Bolling Brook. All of them were the same model, the 2-story traditional homes. Most of them had partially finished or finished basements. Some of them had full porches, some of them had partial, some of them had none. All of them had the brick. And so it anywhere from $375 to now $435. The most recent home before this one in December was in October, and it was $405,000. So I'm super excited. Bolling Brook neighbors, if you guys are thinking about selling this year in 2022, you guys have a great opportunity to get a lot of equity almost overnight. Listen, the market value is like a moment in time. Before 12/23/21, the market value of the home was $400,000 for a Bolling Brook 2-story brick home. Now the market is between $400,000 and $435,000. So it's super exciting for anyone that's getting ready to sell in the neighborhood. You just instantly overnight could have potentially gotten $30,000 of equity. So super excited for you guys. If you guys have any questions about Bolling Brook, I study Bolling Brook specifically. So reach out to me, let me know, and I will personally come out and look at your home and compare your condition, your updates, the location of your house in the neighborhood, the model of your home, and give you a good market value of what your home is going to be. And I think it's going to be great news. So if you are ready, text me, call me 502-210-8880. I also send monthly updates for the market. So if you just want to know and stay abreast of the markets that are coming on market and selling, send me an email at Angie@homerealty.com, and I'll be happy to put you on my report. It's a subscription that I pay for my clients, but I'm happy to share that with you, and you will get a market report so that you always know what is coming up on the market. You always want to know if your next door neighbor goes on sale, what they're selling for, and then compare your home to theirs to see what you might be able to get. But super exciting for you guys. So happy New Year. Hope to hear from you soon. If you have any questions, reach out anytime. Thanks so much. This is Angie Tonini-Rogers, your nurse in realty.